Ready to supercharge your website's data collection and gain laser-focused control over your marketing efforts? Alright, let's dive right into adding those essential little data trackers, the tracking pixels within Google Tag Manager. First, you want to log into your Google Tag Manager account. Once you're in, navigate to your container YURO, that's the digital workspace for a specific website or app. See that tags button on the left? Click it. This is where all the magic happens. Think of tags as digital post-it notes that tell platforms like Facebook or LinkedIn to track user actions on your website. Then click New to create a brand new tag. You'll then be presented with a screen titled Untitled Tag. First, give your tag a descriptive name, something like Facebook Pixel Purchase or LinkedIn Insight. Tag form submission will do, making it easy to identify later. Next, click on Tag Configuration. This opens a menu where you can choose the type of tag you need. You'll find a list of popular platforms like Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, and LinkedIn Insight tag, as well as a custom HTML option if you have pixel code from a less common platform, or a custom solution. Simply select the relevant tag type. Now comes the fun part, configuring your tag. Each platform will provide you with a specific code or pixel ID necessary for tracking. For instance, if you're adding a Facebook pixel, you'll paste your Facebook pixel ID into the designated field. For custom HTML, you'll paste the entire pixel code snippet. After configuring the tag like that, you will next want to select triggering. The trigger tells the tag when and where to fire. Common triggers are all pages and specific actions like form submissions or button clicks YURO, which you'll need to set up separately if they aren't already. Finally, save your tag, and just like that, you've just added a tracking pixel. However, remember, before you go live with your new pixel, always test the tag using Google Tag Manager's preview mode to ensure everything works as expected, which will determine if it works or needs adjustment. Remember to submit your container to publish your changes. So there you have it. You've successfully learned the basics of adding tracking pixels in Google Tag Manager. With this knowledge, you can now track key actions on your website, collect valuable data, and optimize your marketing campaigns for maximum results. Consider giving this video a like if it helped, and subscribe to our channel for even more digital marketing tips and tricks.